extraction of fossil fuels.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh. Hundreds of millions of acres of lands and nearly 1.7 billion acres of water by the federal government producing more fossil fuels than you might think. Last year, our total contributions was 26.2%.
26.2.
Of our oil, which is 596 million barrels.
That's a lot.
And 17.8% of our natural gas was 4,262 billion cubic feet. And 42.1% of our coal, 442 million short tons. We produced all that just last year. And this has important implications for climate change and greenhouse emissions after, they've been combusted in power plants and vehicles, and it comes out to approximately 1.5 billion metric tons of carbon dioxide. Pollution, poisoning all forms of life, both on land and water, with the extraction of fossil fuels. How also, this is all related. When you do when you burn the fossil fuels, you have climate change, like brought about by the emissions, making life uncomfortably hot for some species and uncomfortably cold for other species. This can lead to a change in the abundance and distribution of individual species across the whole globe. Some might die off, others around it might die off. Crops we grow, rise in sea levels, which will then affect coastal ecosystems. Also, the more becoming of unpredictable and extreme devastating events are becoming more and more frequent. If we continue to burn fossil fuels, we are not only ridding our planet of its natural resources, but we are killing it, and in the long run, killing ourselves. But however, there are solutions. Let's see, we can sell cars and buy them for electric ones, and we can be given tax breaks and incentives and lower down payments, which will then keep encouraging people to switch over. We can reduce the amount of fuels produced and consumed, and lastly, we can pursue other energy resources.
This was the extraction of fossil fuels.